We are on to the next session by one of the sponsors, Sustainable Workwear Solutions to Pharma Industries by Shri Manas Kumar, Lindstorm Services Private Limited, New Delhi. Can we request Mr. Manas Kumar to be on the dais, please?
Can you upload the slide, please? Yeah, good afternoon, Chennai. I thank Pharmax South, for giving us an opportunity to speak on a very important topic in today's business, which is sustainability in our business. I'll try my level best to dispel the myth that the sustainability can only be achieved by spending more money, or there is a cost attached to sustainability. I will also try my level best to not let you sleep. I have been given 15 minutes. I'll try my level best to close my topic inside 15 minutes. Let me introduce my organization first. We are a Helsinki headquartered company, founded in 1848, roughly 174-year-old company, and a workwear business. We are operating in 24 countries. Roughly around 5,000 people work with us. Last year turnover was around 432 million euros. It's a family-owned company. We have more than 100 sites across 24 countries. And we came to India in 2007, and we are present in 12 locations. We have about 750 people working with us. We are offering currently both classified and unclassified gowning service. It's again a 100% subsidiary, and we have more than 2,000 satisfied customers, and around 2,000, roughly 500 customers are from pharma. Just to tell you brief that what exactly we do, so what kind of business we are in. We basically a gowning solution provider, end-to-end gowning solutions, right from buying fabric, stitching garment as per the pharma guideline. Basically, we follow IST guidelines, so that your auditor should not come and bother you. After stitching the gowns, we give you gown for use. On a required frequency, we are picking up these gowns, bringing to our laundry, cleaning those garments in our laundry, and we have both facility. For clean room garments, we have clean room facility, and for unclassified area, we have unclassified laundry. After cleaning those garments, we are packing and giving ready to use, for either ready to use or ready to sterilize. So this is our service, and for that we charge rentals. So we don't outright sell product. We don't outright do anything like a split service wherein we are just washing or only selling garments. So we do end-to-end turnkey basis solutions. All our garments are RFID tagged. Currently, most of the factories or the production house pharma companies are actually managing their recording the events manually on a register. But with us, all the garments are fitted with RFID. And then we are tracking those through our system, and we are generating reports which is for your use or for your auditor's use. So you exactly know that when this garment was washed, when it came to your place, and how long it has been in use, like life cycle, 90, 80, whatever. So you have very clear documented evidence which you can share with your auditors. And currently, we are serving many US FDA sites, big, small, all size of company, irrespective of size. We are serving almost all kinds of customers. Now, the main topic which I wanted to discuss today was about the circular economy or sustainability in pharma. I'll just take you through one video, and then I will start my key points.
We live in a world where every choice matters. Our everyday decisions define our future. Landfills are filling up with unnecessary waste, textile overproduction by consumers and companies is a part of this problem. Here at Lindstrom, we have a solution. We aim to offer our customers the most sustainable textile service on the market. We extend the life cycle of workwear by long life design with durable materials. Garments are also easy to repair and reuse for multiple purposes. This way, we can keep the garments in use for as long as possible. Textiles are washed in a sustainable way by optimizing water and energy consumption. With the help of on-demand manufacturing, we produce more garments only when needed. Our digital solutions help to optimize the amount of textiles needed by our customers. At the end of the life cycle, textiles are recycled and given a new life. Are you ready to be a part of the revolution? Choose the circular solution. Choose Lindstrom.
Yeah, I was just throwing some numbers that we are a leader in sustainability, a recognized leader in globally. We're named as one of the most interesting companies in circular economy in Finland. Of course, Nestle was one of them. We have the EcoVadis medal, silver medal, and which is basically 4% in our industry in environmental sustainability. And we also certified for 14001 and 2015, which requires to manage our environmental responsibility in a systematic manner. So that is why the sustainability is woven in our business. We have also a very ambitious goal. 100% textile waste recycling by 2025. You saw that last year we did recycling about 36%. This year the target is roughly 66, and by 2025 we are trying to achieve 100% textile waste recycling. And why textile waste recycling is important, I will take that topic in my next slides. We are also trying to be carbon neutral by 2035. Prime Minister Modi has also announced that India would also be carbon neutral by 2017. In our business, we are trying our level best that globally we should be carbon neutral by 2025. And also, we would like to get EcoVadis platinum level by 2025, which means that we would be top 1% of the company in these sustainability matters. The topic which we wanted to put up today also was that, do you have any idea that how much carbon footprints we are generating, especially when it comes to the pharma industry? And then how can we reduce those carbon footprints by choosing sustainable solutions? And also I'll try to dispel a myth that all the sustainable solutions are expensive solutions. So just to give you some numbers, approximately we generate some 2 metric tons of CO2. We are not counting the greenhouse gas emission. Pharma market is roughly 28% smaller than automotive sector. However, it pollutes at 13% more than pharma industry. So roughly, the current data which is available, which says that roughly we produce 20 billion tons of carbon footprints. And I will tell you how and where we can actually reduce the carbon footprints by choosing the right solutions. For an example, the maths are very simple here. If you are using a disposable or single-use gown in your production facility, one reusable gown means that washable gown, which we provide service, is equal to 60 single-use gown. And you know that these are made of plastic derivatives, so it takes roughly 400 years to decay. Or you have to go for incineration, and that also have their carbon footprints, results. So just throwing some numbers that how we can choose right solutions and choose reusable over single use. When it comes to goggles, there are many companies which is using single-use goggles. Now you know that how much plastics are used, how much silicons are used to make a goggles. But there are services available where we can give you goggles which can be used 30, maybe even 40 times, and we will wash and we will give you the clean, hygienic, microbe-free goggles every time. Many companies also use mop heads, and they also use disposable mop heads. And every time you dispose those mop heads, it goes to either landfill or you go for incineration. But the solutions are available. Lindstrom has almost all kinds of solutions which will help you to reduce your carbon footprints. So it is up to us to choose the right solution and reduce the plastic waste, and plastic waste, is related to the carbon footprint. So I'll give one example for a better understanding. I'm just taking a small example, like you have visitors coming to your plant for audits, or your teams are visiting occasionally to certain areas. Let's say calculate that you have 10 visitors walking in every day for certain activities, maybe audit or some visits. And you are providing hairnet, long coat, and a shoe cover, which is made of plastic. If you compare the solution which we are trying to explain here, or we are trying to give an understanding, the solution which Lindstrom is providing is roughly that you generate in 3 years' time 162 kg versus roughly 4,000 kilograms of plastics. And when you translate the plastic into the carbon footprints, it translates into roughly 30,000 kilograms of carbon footprints. So that kind of impact you can create by choosing right solution. This is not we are saying. I have also picked up one latest journal which has published, source was American Reusable Textile Association. So they have done the study, and there I wanted to dispel the myth that the sustainable solutions are not expensive. In the clean room facility, both disposable and reusables textile garments meet the particulate standards. Whether you use reusable or disposable, both meets the particulate standards, whether it is rigorous or at the basic level. However, the reusables offer two additional benefits. One is, of course, costs and the reduced environmental impact. The study shows that in the US clean room operator, when they choose reusable coveralls over the disposable or single use, whatever you call, annually there was a saving in the carbon footprint emission for roughly about a carbon footprint being emitted by 1650 cars. And the cost was also reduced by roughly 58% over the disposable, saving almost 1.2 billion in a decade, or roughly 120 million each year. So choosing reusable solution is far cheaper than going for a single use. Let's talk about the other side of so I was talking about choosing right solution, which means that choosing single use, reducing plastic waste, and in turn reducing the carbon footprint. Now let's talk about, some of us do have our own laundry, or sometimes we outsource our activity to the launderers. Let's try and check how much carbon footprints unorganized laundry or not a professional laundry would be generating. Roughly, organized laundry, professional laundry like Lindstrom, actually per year per person, the cost would be roughly, carbon emission would be 46 kg. And how these 46 kgs are calculated is on the bottom of the slide. But for understanding that, what means 46 kg CO2 is driving almost like Mumbai to Vadodara, or using refrigerator for 291 days. So this is 1% cost, or 1% CO2 emission per year, so 46 kg. From where these carbon footprints are coming, so if you see the carbon share of the emissions, roughly 60% of the emissions are coming from the laundry, means how we are using water, energy, and detergents. Compared to the other washing solutions or other laundry, in fact, we consume 33% less energy, 50%, 55% less water, and 41% less detergent. We have been working from long time. It is not that today, this is today's story. So over the period of time, we managed to reduce the energy consumption, and currently we are in 1 kilogram textile when we are washing, we are actually using less than a kilowatt, 1 unit, which is like, from, we have started actually calculating from 1993, we have actually reduced by 50%. So we use 33% less energy than either home washing or unprofessional laundries. We just consume 7.5 liters in producing 1 kilogram of textile. When I say 1 kilogram of textile is ideally would be shirt, trouser, long coat. If you weigh these three garments would be weighing around 1 kilograms. So we use 55% less water than home washing or the unprofessional laundries, because we have ways to reclaim those water. In energy also we have ways to reclaim the heat. And then also we use detergent, roughly about 13 grams per kg. So if you see, all of these has been worked from last 25, 30 years, and we managed to achieve or improve our quality and improve our sustainability factors in terms of reducing all these natural resources. So roughly between 2024 to 2022, we managed to reduce 30% carbon footprint. We have created this very interesting calculator. You can ask from us. We will be happy to give you these calculators. Yeah. So we are just 2 slides away. So this calculator you can ask. You can put your how many garments you are washing every day, and then you can see your carbon footprint. So on the right corner, you can see that if someone is washing 1,500 garments, then is actually producing 268 kg. These calculators are available. If you want, we can give you for your own use. At the last, this is the wrap-up slide, wherein we would like to say that the product safety comes from quality assurance and GMP compliance, and it impacts the human health and well-being. Operational efficiency comes from cost quality improvement, reduction of energy, water, and solvent. And it has a huge impact on cost as well as improved use of resource and carbon footprint. I would also say that sustainability should be chosen to differentiate yourself in the market, remain risk-free forever, because now there is always, all the governments are trying to push industry to reduce their carbon footprints. So this is the time wherein you should also choose the sustainable solution to first to bring down the cost, bring down and improve your business longevity, and third is that differentiating, how you are differentiating yourself to the competitors. Thank you very much for your active listening. Thank you very much. Any questions, or can I leave the stage?
Any questions to the speaker? If there's no more questions, we'll ask Mr. Jaiseelan, Chairman, to kindly step forward and honor the speaker. Siva.